Understanding HVAC Delta T and why electric strip thermal limits usually open around 145 degrees Fahrenheit is key to keeping your heating system running smooth. Okay, so when you're working on HVAC systems, knowing that electric strip thermal limits open at about 145 degrees Fahrenheit helps you figure out if the heating element is protecting itself properly from overheating. These limits are designed to open when things get too hot, stopping the electric strip from burning out or causing damage. Once they trip, they don't reset until the temperature cools down by around 40 degrees, so they close back up at about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. That delay keeps the system safe and prevents it from cycling on and off too fast, which can mess things up. If you're replacing these parts, make sure you get the exact thermal limit specs. Don't just grab whatever looks similar, because even small differences can cause issues. Also, keep an eye on your system's Delta T, which is just the temperature difference between the supply and return air. It tells you if your heat exchanger and controls are working right. Running a system with the wrong thermal limit or ignoring Delta T can lead to frequent shutdowns or even system failure. So yeah, double check those temps and specs before swapping parts. It saves you time and headaches. One of the biggest mistakes HVAC techs make with electric strip thermal limits is assuming all limits open at the same temperature. Some might be different, so always check the manufacturer's specs before replacing. Another issue is not factoring in the required temperature drop before the limit resets. If you replace a limit that closes at a higher temperature than needed, it can cause the strip to cycle too fast or not reset properly. Lastly, ignoring Delta T readings can lead to missing underlying problems like airflow issues or dirty filters, which put extra strain on the system and cause thermal limits to trip unnecessarily. Fix these by always verifying the exact thermal limit temperature rating for your specific equipment, understanding the reset temperature to know when the system should come back online, and checking your Delta T regularly as part of routine maintenance to catch airflow or heat exchanger problems early. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the guesswork. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their services, making it easier for everyone to get jobs done right.